Hey everyone, welcome back to ClearTask. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change the background color of any PDF from black to white. Let's get started. First, open up your browser. Go to Google and in the search bar type change PDF background color and hit enter. Look for the search result that says I2 PDF. It's a free online tool that makes this process incredibly simple. Go ahead and click on that link. Once you're on the site, click the big Choose Files button. Browse your computer or device and select the PDF with the black background that you want to fix. The tool will quickly process your document. Once it's done, you'll see a preview of your file. Now look right above the preview, you'll find a section called Background Color with several options. Simply select the white color swatch. Instantly, your PDF's background will update to white, making it clean and ready to read or print. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, straight-to-the-point tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.